and welcome to HENCH HARDWARE channel. This is Kiki. In this video, we are talking about our simple hinge. This hinge is 2-hole plates, and the hinge diameter is 35 millimeters. The diameters of 2 holes, that means you use the screw and install in the cabinet door. The diameter is 45 millimeters, and we can also make 48 millimeters. This hinge, we have full overlaid, half overlaid, and insert. You can choose any one you like. This one is style on tap. You can use the screw and make it adjustable. It is easy to install on the cabinet door. And this screw, you can see it. When you install, you have already installed the hinge, and the cabinet door and the panel was imperfect. You can use this screw to adjust to make it perfect, side by side the cabinet door.